in a cabin up on a hill where the pine trees sway. Mountain melodies echo at the end of the day. The old guitar strums with its rustic refrain, singing tales of love and loss in this peaceful domain. The wind whispers secrets carried through the pines as the fire dances softly, casting shadows in lines. Every chord played tells a story untold. In these mountain melodies, my heart finds its stronghold. Mountain melodies, they soothe my soul. Like a babbling brook, they make me whole. With every strum and every note, I'm transported to a place remote.